Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to a new tool called as Medlexo. This tool is created in year 2020, so it's not surprised if you have not heard it before. So I'm going to show you how to download Medlexo first. So you open your web browser and go and search for the Medlexo official website. So I'm going to type in Medlexo, and then this is the official website. And click on it. Then it depends on your PC, it's 32-bit or 64-bit. And down here got a few instructions that you can follow. Right now I'm going to show you from step by step. If your PC is 64-bit, I recommend you to download 64-bit because 64-bit actually can convert video a bit faster, although the size is slightly bigger 4-bit. So I'm going to download 64-bit. As you can see, it will show a pop-up dialog to save it. So you save the file. Then after you finish download, you open it, and then you can drag the folder to the place. And here I'm going to place in my desktop. I'm going to close this. And there are two ways to using Medlexo. You can choose to download your own FFmpeg flavor. For this one, right, FFmpeg is from Xeron. I have a FFmpeg flavor from Xeron. You can either use Medlexo, so if you want to use with your own FFmpeg, you drag this into here, so you can start to use this one. Then you will use the FFmpeg for Xeron. And by default, right, Medlexo already comes with its own FFmpeg, so I'm going to use the Medlexo on FFmpeg. Like example, if there's a few video codec is not supported by the default built FFmpeg, right, then that is the moment you want to try other flavors. So I'm going to use FFmpeg of Medlexo. As you can see, there is a file created. So this file is for the FFmpeg of Medlexo. I'm going to close this one first. So sometimes when you download the video, right, the MP4 and M4A is separated, then you might want to join it to watch it because playing side by side is not ideal. For example, I got this video in here, there's no audio inside, and if you play this audio, then it's going to play it without the music. So this is one thing to do like this, but example, I open this audio again. And this video would have no audio at all. My VLC is minimized now. Let me maximize it. Right now you can see there's no audio. So what you can do is open Medlexo, open it. Then you are going to, example, if I want to output to the same folder, right, then I'm going to output in here. So I'm going to drag this video into here, then put it into here, and it will tell you something. Then I say OK. And then it's done. This is as fast as this video shown. I did not speed up this video, and this is a real-time speed. And now when we play it again, then the video will have proper audio. Go check out this video. This video is quite nice. And let me show you this video.
Never bothered me anyway. Oh! Help me! Put the camera down, help me!
Yeah, very nice video. And with that, we have finished our tutorial, and I hope this tool can help you. If it did, leave a thumbs up and give me a good comment, and I see you next time.